I left my heart. San Francisco.
Me too, Tony. And 130 artists did the same in 2004 in a project to raise money for the San Francisco General Hospital. Each artist was given a heart to play with, and from April until October 2004, their work was on display in the streets of San Francisco. The hearts were sponsored by local and national companies, and the artists produced a fascinating range of visions. A great way to liven up the streets of an already lively city. They were on display until October and were then auctioned, raising about $2 million for the hospital. Very heartening. This one by Stan Dan is my favourite. Oh my God. I left my heart and my shoes in San Francisco.
San Francisco.